So let's have the exterior angle of a triangle. So this is the continuation of the different theorems under triangle. So when you say exterior angle of a triangle, so in this figure we have an exterior angle of angle 1. So this is our exterior angle. Okay, say this our angle is outside the triangle. Okay, and it is also connected with the triangle. Okay. Angle 1 is our exterior angle. Okay, so in order to find the degree measure of exterior angle, so we just add the two non-adjacent interior angles of a triangle. So what are they? So we have angle 2 and angle 3. Okay, so what mean to say what is the non-adjacent angles? So these two angle here, angle 2 and angle 3, they do not share uh, same line or same side with angle 1. Okay, so means they are far away from angle 1. And this here is what we call the adjacent angle of angle 1 because they share the same side. Angle 2 and angle 3, they do not share the same side. That's why they are non-adjacent angles. Okay, so measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 is equal to the measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 3. Now let us apply the exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, so in here example number 1, we need to find the degree measure of angle OPQ. Okay, let us illustrate the given. Okay, angle OPQ is angle OPQ. So this is how we illustrate the angle OPQ. So we say this is the angle that we need to find. Okay, so what are the two non-adjacent angles? We have angle Q and angle R. Those are the two non-adjacent angles. So let us write measure of angle OPQ. Since this is our, we need to find the degree measure, and measure of angle is equal to measure of angle Q plus measure of angle R. So measure of angle Q is 63 degrees plus measure of angle R is 70 degrees. Okay, so let us add, that is 133 degrees. So measure of angle OPQ is 133 degrees. Okay, next example, we have example number 2. So same as with example number 1, we need to find the degree measure of angle VUX. So let us illustrate first angle VUX. So that is the exterior angle VUX. Okay, so what are the two non-adjacent? Angle V and angle P. Okay, so measure of angle VUX is equal to the degree measure of angle V plus measure of angle T. And substitute the given. Measure of angle V is 103 degrees plus 53 degrees. Then you will get 156 degrees. Okay, so measure of angle VUX is 156 degrees. Okay, next example, example number 3. So this time we incorporate algebraic expression here. Okay, but the question is we need to find the degree measure of MNA, angle MNA and angle NAM. Okay, so illustrate first the given or the angles. First, M and A, this is angle M and A. So it has an expression, or our degree measure there is 5x. Okay. Next, we have measure of angle N A M, which has a degree measure of 6x. And our exterior angle is AMI, which has a degree measure of 66 degrees. So the two non-adjacent angles is angle MNA and NAM. Okay. So first, write the exterior angle, measure of angle AMI is equal to measure of angle MNA and plus measure of angle NAM. So these two angles here are non-adjacent angles, and AMI is exterior angle. Substitute measure of angle AMI, which is 66 degrees, equals MNA has a degree measure of 5x plus measure of angle NAM, that is 6x. So 66, rewrite 5x plus 6x, that is 11x. Then divide both sides by 11, then you will get 6 is equal to x, or symmetric property, that is x is equal to 6. Okay, so in this now, we need to find the degree measure of MNA and NAM. Let us find first the degree measure of MNA. The degree measure of MNA has a degree measure of 5x. So that's equal to 5x. Substitute the given 5 and x will become 6. So that is 5 times 6, that is 30 degrees. So measure of angle MNA is 30 degrees. Next, measure of angle NAM has a degree measure of 6x from our given. Then let us substitute the given x, which is 6. So that is 6 times 6, and that is 36 degrees. So measure of angle NAM is 36 degrees. Okay. Now, let's have the last example. Our last example here is determine the degree measure of angle FED. So where is angle FED? So we have angle FED. So it is a exterior angle. Okay? Exterior angle. So what are the two non-adjacent angles? We have angle G and angle F. So apply the exterior angle of a triangle. Measure of angle FED is equal to measure of angle F plus measure of angle G. Okay. Measure of angle FED has a degree measure of 10x plus 2. 10x plus 2 is equal to measure of angle F is 89 degrees. So it is 99 degrees. Plus measure of angle G is 22x plus 1. So that is 2x plus 1. Now, let's apply the transposition method. So 10x. So from 2x, transpose it to the left side, it will become 2x. Equals, retain 89 degrees. Plus, retain 1. From 1, good. And then we have positive 2, transpose it to the left side. And then, right side, sorry. It will become negative 2. Okay, negative 2. Minus 2. Okay, from positive 2, it will become negative 2. Okay, 10x minus 2x, that is 8x. Sorry. So that is 8x is equal to 89 plus 1, that is 90, minus 2, that is 88 degrees. Divide both sides by 8, and then you will get x is equal to 11. Okay, so our value of x is equal to 11. Now, in this problem, you need to find the degree measure of angle FED. So measure of angle FED Okay, in our given, that is 10x plus 2. 10x plus 2. Then substitute x. So that is 10 times 11, and that's plus 2. So 10 times 11, that is 110 degrees. Plus 2, and then you will get 112 degrees. So our degree measure for angle FED is 112 degrees.